guys, and what is up? Today I am going to be unboxing slime with you guys. I have this one. I have this one. And I have this one. So, before we get into the slime making, I want you guys to subscribe if you like this one the most. Like if you like this one the most, because you like it. And then share this video with 3 people if you like this one the most. Because there's 3 of these little containers. And then 4 of this one. So, we're going to start with this one. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, let me get this out of the way. Okay, opened, I think, anyways. Where's the little thing? Okay, guys. It's so hard to open. Okay, oh wait, we got this one. As you can see, there's these colors on the back. I didn't know it was a mystery pack, but I should have known because it doesn't show it on the... I'm so sorry, guys. There, we got this one. There's all of these. Super cute little slime. I'll open it up. It's not really a slime, actually. It's like a Play-Doh putty stuff. Okay, maybe it is a slime. It feels really nice, guys. Let me open this up even more. If I can even get this even open. Okay, I got it. This is so nice. Wait. Okay, it feels so weird when you do that. Okay, guys. This is slime. It's stretchy, not too stretchy. It's hard to squish, kind of. Oh, wait, that feels so nice. Okay, this is a good slime. Oh, putty. Same thing. Okay. It's the strawberry one. Okay, now I'm going to open this one. And we're going to save this newest one for last. Should probably be doing this in my slime corner, but whatever. Yeah, no, that did not help at all. I'll just kind of put this. Guys, don't judge my skills at opening things. I'm not the best at opening things. Let's see if I can open this. There. I got it, guys. Just a lot of garbage here. So I have my garbage can right here. So this is their slime in this little container. I'll open that after. And I got these little rotten banana peels, fish bones for the trash, and then apple cores. It's a trash slime, so that's why there's those guys. Okay, I get that out of the way. And let's open this up. Okay, guys, I got it open. Let's open this. Ooh, wait, guys, I think it's gooey. Okay, it's gooey. It's really gooey. It's like one of those wet slimes. Let's see if I can get this out. Okay. Listen. Okay, I was expecting it to be like a green slime, but okay. Oh my god, it's so weird. Okay, that feels okay. So, let's add our little decorations to it. So first I'm going to put this on the ground like so. And let's start with the dead fish. Ew, but okay. Let's add a couple of these guys. Ooh. Ew. looks so gross. It literally kind of looks real. Not much, but kind of, I guess. The banana peels. Don't mind my stuffy nose. I'm still a little sick, but I'm okay. Put these banana peels and pumpkin sprinkles everywhere. There, okay. Let's close that on back up. Now finally, apple cores. Don't mind the little ruckus because there's some noises coming downstairs. There's other people downstairs. Okay, guys. Okay. This is a quick video, but like, it's still cool. This is the first unboxing video. Oh my god, guys, everything's falling out of the slime. Okay, whatever. It's still cute. Cool. I mean, okay, look at it. It's a cool slime, look. Such a little cool slime. Okay, it's down. Slime number 2 completed. That right there. Okay. Now, last but certainly not least, we have this slime. I'm just doing like little intros and stuff. It's so messy, but it's so cute, guys. Okay, see if I can get the slime out. Okay, let me move all these little charms from the last one. I don't want to get them on this slime because this slime does not look at all like it meant to be in the garbage. Well, maybe somebody thought it was too messy, but it doesn't. Other than that, it doesn't. It is huge, a huge slime. So this is our slime. It's a nice pink blob. So cute. Okay, guys, let's test its plop. Lovely plop. Okay, guys, this is such a cute little slime. I love it. And I love that I got the pink one. I'll show you the options. There's this rainbow one. Here. A rainbow one. So, here, I'll show you in order. There's a Galaxy Goo. The Galaxy Goo is a really pretty purple one still. I like this one. There's a pink one. I think this is the one that we got. This pink one right here. And then there's a rainbow one, which is really cool. I like this one too. And then there's this one. Okay, I'll read them. Galaxy Goo, Marshmallow Melt, Neon Rainbow, Silver Sparkle. That's really cool too. Here, Silver Sparkle. So yeah, these are all of them. Really cool. I love this slime. It's so stretchy. Such a pretty pink. And yeah, I know the lighting right now isn't good, but you can still see the slime, so that's all that matters. I'll put it on my sock to trust it. Can I do the trust test? Okay, it's trusted. That's how much I trust it. I just put it on my sock. Okay, this is so cool. You can hear that plop. Such a big plop. This is such a cute slime. Okay, now let's go over our slimes. Okay, let me get this apple core to that. Okay. Please don't say I fell in the slime. Yes, it did. Okay, I'll take that out. So I have, again, this pretty slime. This pretty slime. This cute slime. Garbage. And then this really pretty pink slime. That's all for today, everybody. Love y'all so much. Mwah.